Hi, my name is Humaira Fasiuddin, and I am the Chief Designer here at Real Industry. We are a nonprofit that brings college students access to fields in art, music, entertainment, and technology. We have a spring lineup of challenge-based programs for underserved students throughout the nation. We are looking for a college intern who can help us through social media reach lots of students throughout the nation to take advantage of those learning opportunities and access our deep bench of professional mentors from companies like Spotify and ByteDance and Take-Two Interactive and Dolby. We would love someone who's very organized, who doesn't mind working remotely. And we are a very active remote team distributed throughout the nation, even when it is in a pandemic. So we're looking for someone who's willing to learn lots of new skills and really passionate about underserved populations pursuing high growth careers. Thanks.